So at this point, I'll be sharing with you the BBSG tracker that we will be using for the Agency Builder Club. So this is 2 sheets, diba? And I will be sending you the copy of the Excel sheet. Right? Just put your name here. Period covered. So for example, for next week, o kunyari today, it will be October 14 to 20. Right? So lagay mo doon. So whatever the days na covered, so for 2 weeks, lalagay mo doon yung schedule mo. And then, ito yung yung benchmark nasa yellow, yung contact mo per week, per 2 weeks, no? So parang 20 lang per week. For 2 weeks, 40 yung contact target. Right? So ang appointment, dapat may 20 ka daw na sa set and 2 weeks. So parang 10 lang a week. Right? Prospecting, so the total prospects from your COI, referrals, and other leads, 20. Yung na RDRC mo, which is stable BOP rin, or getting to know ninyo, is 10 per 2 weeks, so parang 5 a week. Leader interview, yung na NBA mo, is 10. Umaten ng BOP, ideally 8. So we have BOPs on Wednesdays and Saturdays on a regular basis. Market analysis, so kung ilan yung nakapagpadala ng market survey. Panel interview, kung meron ka mapapa-interview sa NGA, ideally 2. Contract offers, so depende na lang yan kung ilan yung ma-offeran. And then, kung meron kang EADP, ilagay mo dyan. No, kung meron ka ma-recruit doon, kung NGA siya, so lagay na rin natin dito. And then, standard advisor onboarding for the current month. So, ibig sabihin, sabihin lang natin pag NGA, dito na lang yung NGA, dito yung EADP. Right? And then crossover, ito lang naman yung from standard naging EADP. So bihira natin magagamit siya. And then ilagay mo rito yung recruitment goal mo, no, for the year. So 12 yung usually na gusto nating ma-achieve minimum for the year. So yung hit, ilan yung nagagawa mo na. Diba? Yung running total na siya. Yan. Total hours spent in recruitment is 20 every 2 weeks. So parang 10 hours lang in a week, which is just about 2 hours in a day, or parang 2 half day, no? 2 5 hours, 5 hours, gano'n. No? So, or 3 times, no? Na 3 hours, 4 hours. Right? So those are the things. What I like about this tracker is this one. No? The second page, yung recruitment tracker, you can also put in names of your potential candidates. No? Lagyan mo yung occupation nila, age, and then ano yung source niya? No? Other leads ba siya? COI ba siya? Or agent referral ba siya? Kailan mo siya na-set ng appointment? Kailan mo siya na RDRC? Kailan mo siya na interview? Which usually sabay-sabay. Di ba? Umattend ba siya ng BOP? Right? And then market analysis. Kung nag-submit siya. Panel interview. Kung na-panel siya. And then contract offer. Lagay mo lang yung date. Right? And then kung kailan siya mag-EADP or NGA, kailan siya mag-start. And then kung standard naman siya, lagay mo lang dyan. Right? So let's say registered online, PCTC, registered with LMS, etc. And then kung meron mang crossover, lagay mo lang dyan. So lagay mo lang yung status niya. Usually naman we'll be using standard or EADP. Yan. So that's it for this. So mahalaga lang meron kang monitoring tracker for your potential recruits. Right? But then again, ang mahalaga lang yung report. Yung number lang. When you'll be sending a report kay I, so please PM that to I, naka-Excel sheet. Ayan, numbers lang kailangan dito, numbers lang. Ayo, tapos lilipat lang siya ni I para dun sa report mo naman ay mga names naman nila. So, magyaro ka rin copy nito. Dito ngayon, ilalagay yung mga names nila, lahat ng merong report. So, dadagdagan mo na lang siya if it's more than 8 or 10, di ba? So, yun. Para makita natin for the week, ito yung activities nyo. Ganon. And then, ang mangyayari, I'll be telling you now kung sino na yung magre-report kagad for that week para at least ready kayo. So, if you have questions, let me know.